Subject Craft Standard 3rd. Hello students, my name is Mrunal More and today we are going to learn some new things in craft. Our today's topic is bird. Our topic for today is bird. Now, here you can see the bird. This is how a bird is going to look. Now let's see the video and learn how to make this bird.
First topic for today is bird. Now for making bird, you will get two papers from your origami packet. Bird back and bird front. These two papers will be there. Your first step is stick both the papers. What you have to do? Stick both the papers. As I have sticked. You can see bird back and bird front. I have stick both the papers. Then after sticking, you have to fold the paper into half. You have to fold the paper into half. Here I can see I have folded the paper into half. Then unfold it. After folding, unfold it. Okay. By doing this, next step is take a scissor. Take a scissor and give a cut. Here you can see give a cut till this point. See I have cut it till here. Till this black point from both the side you have to give a cut. Here you can see this I have cut it till here and from here till here. Okay. After giving cut, what you have to do is you have to fold the paper in half again. See this way. You can see I have folded the paper in half again. After doing this, next step is here you can see this flap. Fold this flap upwards. See here you have dotted lines. The dotted lines are given to you. According to that dotted line, fold the paper, fold that flap upwards. Same you have to do from the opposite side also. Here it is the opposite side. You have to do same with it also. The dotted lines are given. Just fold the flap upwards from the dotted line. See. So yeah, till here it is ready. Now next what you have to do is this corner you can see here. Make here a pocket fold. Make here a pocket fold. Okay. And with this your bird is ready. Here you can see your bird is ready. Stick your bird here. Okay. See, you can see your bird is ready now.
Our second topic is dog. You can see this cute dog. So we have to also make such a dog from a origami paper. You all are excited to make a dog? So let's learn how to make a dog.
Second topic for today is dog. Now for making dog, take this paper from your origami packet. See this is how it will look and here it is written dog. First, place your paper in this shape, kite shape, back side and fold it in middle. This ways. See, slightly press it, unfold and then fold from here also, from the below to the upwards. And again unfold it. Now, see I have folded from both the sides, this also and this one also, and I have unfolded it. Now what you have to do is, you have to fold the three corners inwards along the meeting the center line. Okay, you have to fold these three corners inwards meeting the center line, such as see 1, then 2 and 3. Here we get. See, the paper was this way. I folded the three corners inward. Got it? Now you have to fold this paper. After folding your three corners, this is how your paper will look. Now fold this paper into half. See, half. I have folded the paper into half. This is how your paper will look. Now what you have to do is, you have to fold this upper part, the paper into the upper part. Okay, upwards you have to fold it. This is the paper, you have to fold it upwards. Okay, this way. See, it is here just folded upwards. See here. Then open the flap. See, this you can see, you have to open it. Put the finger and flatten and open it. This is how you got. Okay? I will show you again. We had folded half, then we folded upwards, and then we opened the flap this way. Then you have to fold this part, the triangle, upwards. See, this way. I folded upwards and then fold below this black part. You got here the nose, and then fold both the sides, these both two corners inwards, 1 and 2. Again I will show you. This was how it was. We folded upwards, then below, and then we folded both the corners inwards. This is how your dog is ready. Here you can see your dog is ready. Now stick your dog here. You can stick it here. See?
Our third topic is whale. You can see this whale. Now let's see the video and learn how to make a whale.
Our third topic is whale. Now for making a whale, take this paper from your origami packet here. Just turn it back. What you have to do is fold it, press it slightly and unfold. Now from up to bottom we did. Now the two sides. Fold it and unfold it. Okay? This we did. Then what you have to do is keep your papers this way in a kite shape. Keep your paper this way in a kite shape. Then a step is fold the upper corner along the crease. Here you can see you have to fold it, but in this way. You have kept here, see the kite shape. So from here you should take the fold from this corner, and this is how I fold it. You can see you have to keep your paper in a kite shape this way, and from this corner you have to fold it. This is how I folded it. Got it? Then see, like this we got this. Then you have to fold the flap from this corner to form a triangle. You have to fold in this way that these two form a triangle. See, from this corner you have to fold. For that you just take this flap away and just fold it. See, okay, it is forming a triangle. Here you can see what I did. This we had folded. I folded from this corner this way, and here we formed a triangle. This flap came out. Okay, now this portion just folded here by making a small triangle. Here you can fold it this way. Okay, now what you have to do next is fold this side, the below bottom part, backwards from this corner. Okay, fold it backwards this way. See, I did it. These corners keep in mind, and you have to fold it backwards. Same you have to do from the right side also. You have to fold it backwards this way. Got it? I'll show you once again. This is how the paper was. These extra flap I folded this way, and then from this corner I folded it backwards, pressed it, and from this corner also I folded the right part backwards. This is how you will get the paper. Now fold both the backward and the front corners backward. See, this side also, this side also. Both corners folded backwards. See, from this you got a tail, and here I will fold it backwards from here. Okay, so your tail is ready. And now what you have to do is just draw a mouth here. Here you can see I have drawn a mouth this way. See, I have drawn a mouth of the whale, and our whale is ready. So what you have to do is stick your whale here. Your whale is ready.
Thank you. I hope everyone enjoyed learning new things.